1. Curtiss P-40. Warhawk U.S. fighter, 575 kilometers per hour, 357 miles per hour. Built in large numbers, it flew everywhere from Pearl Harbor to China. 2nd Hawker Hurricane, British fighter, 550 kilometers per hour, 342 miles per hour. It was the backbone of the RAF in the Battle of Britain. 3rd Messerschmitt Bf 109, German fighter, 727 kilometers per hour, 452 miles per hour. It served as the backbone of the Luftwaffe with 34,000 built. 4. Focke-Wulf FW-190, German fighter, 660 kilometers per hour, 410 miles per hour. Known as the Butcher Bird, it excelled across altitudes. 5. Douglas SBD Dauntless, U.S. dive bomber, 410 kilometers per hour, 255 miles per hour. It sank 4 Japanese carriers at Midway. 6th Grumman F-4F, Wildcat, U.S. carrier fighter, 512 kilometers per hour, 318 miles per hour. It held the line at Pearl Harbor. 7. Grumman F-6F, Hellcat U.S. ace fighter, 611 kilometers per hour, 380 miles per hour. It had a 19-to-1 kill ratio. 8. Vought F-4, U Corsair, U.S. carrier fighter, 717 kilometers per hour, 446 miles per hour. It was the fastest Allied piston engine fighter. 9. Republic P-47 Thunderbolt, U.S. fighter bomber, 686 kilometers per hour, 426 miles per hour. It was the heaviest single-engine fighter. 10th Lockheed P-38, Lightning twin-boom U.S. fighter, 666 kilometers per hour, 414 miles per hour. It made aces like Dick Bong famous. 11th North American P-51 Mustang, U.S. long-range escort, 710 kilometers per hour, 441 miles per hour. It turned the tide over Europe. 12th Supermarine Spitfire British fighter, 719 kilometers per hour, 447 miles per hour. It is an iconic RAF legend. 13th de Havilland Mosquito, fast British multirole, 668 kilometers per hour, 415 miles per hour. Known as the Wooden Wonder. 14. Hawker Tempest, British fighter, 711 kilometers per hour, 442 miles per hour. It was an extraordinary V-1 interceptor. 15th Boeing, B-17 Flying Fortress, U.S. heavy bomber, 462 kilometers per hour, 287 miles per hour. It is a symbol of daytime strategic bombing. 16. Boeing, B-29, Superfortress, U.S. heavy bomber, 575 kilometers per hour, 357 miles per hour. It delivered atomic bombs to Japan. 17. Messerschmitt, Me-262, first German jet, 900 kilometers per hour, 559 miles per hour. It marked the dawn of jet combat. 18. Lockheed P-80, Shooting Star, first U.S. jet fighter, 960 kilometers per hour, 597 miles per hour. It flew in post-war battles. 19. Mitsubishi A-6M0, Japanese carrier fighter, 565 kilometers per hour, 351 miles per hour. It was an agile ace in the Pacific. 20. Horton Ho 229, German jet flying wing, 977 kilometers per hour, 607 miles per hour. It was a stealthy prototype ahead of its time. 21st Yakovlev Yak-3, Soviet fighter, 646 kilometers per hour, 401 miles per hour. It was a top-tier screamer on the Eastern Front. 22nd Ilyushin Il-2 Sturmovik, Soviet attack plane, 410 kilometers per hour, 255 miles per hour. known as the flying tank, for ground assault. 23rd Consolidated B-24 Liberator, U.S. heavy bomber, 478 kilometers per hour, 297 miles per hour. It served as a long-range workhorse. 24th Junkers Ju-87 Stuka, German dive bomber, 410 kilometers per hour, 255 miles per hour. It was a fearsome icon of dive bombing. 25th North American B-25 Mitchell, U.S. medium bomber, 438 kilometers per hour, 272 miles per hour. It was a hero of the Doolittle raid. 26th Avro Lancaster, British heavy bomber, with a top speed up to 462 kilometers per hour, 287 miles per hour. It had a crew of 7 and a massive bomb bay. It was famed for sinking the Tirpitz and for the Dam Busters raid. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.